908, that's the perimeter. On the east side, I'm the calm storm. Guess I'm something like a limiter. Yeah, I'm something like a limiter. She too much, I got a limiter. While me and bro in the back, yeah, sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. I'm the truth, let me show the proof. Looking super clean, no janitor. Super clean, no.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. I've been gone for a little minute, but I'm back with another banger. Let me shout out my alpha generals, generalettes, alpha male and alpha females in the building. You heard. Like, comment, subscribe, promote if you can. You know what I mean? What I got here for y'all today is a new jewelry company brought to you by a fellow YouTuber. Y'all might know him as dripgawdtv. He came out with his own dripgawd jewelry. You feel me? He got a nice piece we're collaborating with. He sent me something out. You know what I mean? Y'all know me. They call me Young Moissanite. At least that's what I think they call me. And he sent me out a nice moissanite piece. You feel me? You heard? So you know what I mean? Without further ado, let's get right to it. You know what I mean? What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. Like I said, man, this piece right here comes from dripgawdtv, or in other words, dripgawd jewelry collection. You know what I mean? Shout out to you, man. Thank you for this collaboration. Thank you for this piece. You know what I mean? I appreciate you for this. Now, you know what? Without doing any more talking, let's get right to it. What he has here is a nice blue box. Nice material. Feels, you know what I mean, pretty premium. His presentation seems to be on point so far. You can't knock him for that. This is a nice box, and it seems like the piece is well or more than well protected. Let's open the box. Wait, boom. It also comes with a GRA card and a welcoming letter welcoming you to dripgawd jewelry. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This is, you know what I'm saying? He even made it personal to me, man. You know what I mean? That's pretty dope, man. Shout out to you for that, man. I appreciate that, man. That's dope. So, let's get right to the piece. Bam! Look at that right there. It's strapped down to the box so it doesn't move. I appreciate that, man. This is it, man. This is what he has here is a 3mm. And in my case, because my size is 8 inches, 8-inch, 3mm rose gold moissanite bracelet. That's where you get the GRA card. That's where the GRA moissanite card comes in to validate and verify, you know, the facts that these stones are moissanite. 3mm, I might add. You know what I mean? Let me know what y'all think about this thing, man. This thing does hit, man. I can't even lie. This thing is pretty dope. Rose gold, I like rose gold. I don't have a lot of it, but I like it because for me, not a lot of people wear it. So when people do wear it, it stands out more than regular gold or white gold. I'm not saying it's better. I'm not saying it's not better. I'm just saying when you see rose gold, you don't see it that often. So when you do see it, it tends to stand out. You know what I mean? If y'all stay to the end of the video, I will shine test, give y'all on the wrist view, and diamond test this thing to verify that it's moissanite. But I know when it comes to dripgawd, he's a jewelry reviewer. He wouldn't put this on his site if it wasn't official moissanite. You know what I'm saying? And it comes with the GRA certificate, so we don't even got to diamond test it, but we'll do it for entertainment purposes only. So let's get to the facts. Y'all already know it's rose gold. Y'all already know it's 3mm and that it's moissanite. So I already know what y'all want to know. Hey, yo, Stevie D, man. How much is that thing? That thing look crazy. Well, this rose gold moissanite bracelet right here on his site is a whopping $300. You cannot beat that. That is pretty impressive, especially for a newcomer or a new company coming into play. And I believe if you go to his channel, he gives out a 30% off discount that you cannot beat, which is amazing. Shout out to dripgawdtv for that. That is pretty dope for a moissanite piece like this. I'm not gonna lie, it feels really sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap at all. You see me moving it around, it doesn't feel like it's gonna break. Let's look at the clasp. The clasp, it has a snap-in clasp with a figure 8 clasp on the side of it, or 2 figure 8 clasp. So we all know that this thing is nice and secure. You know what I'm saying? This is how you do it. Oh, look, I'm messing up already. Wait. Take your time, Stevie D. Take your time. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Let's snap that onto the side. Snap that onto the side. Okay. This does not come off your wrist. This isn't coming off your wrist. And I'm legit pulling it, man. Look. If it's going to break, it'll break right in front of y'all right now. This is not coming off your wrist. So shout out to dripgawdtv, dripgawd jewelry, you know what I'm saying? That, you know, he's selling premium products, moissanite bracelets. Oh, and might I add, my guys, you know what I'm saying? That it's 925 silver stamped and certified. Right there. 925 silver. So this is premium metal, you know what I mean? Precious metal, as they like to say. And that's why you won't get this coming off your wrist. Nice security, nice and sturdy. Doesn't feel cheap at all. You know what I mean? Tell me what y'all think about this. So like I said, my G's, man, tell me what y'all think about this thing, man. Do y'all like it? Do y'all like the idea of rose gold? Do y'all like the idea of moissanite? Does it matter to y'all? Tell me what y'all think about this thing, man. Not much more I can say about this thing, man. 1, 2, 3, I'm out. What I got here for y'all right now, we're weighing the piece. Comes in at 10 grams. Y'all know me, I do it 3 times. Let's do it again. 10 grams. What I got here for y'all right now is the diamond test. So let's see if it's official moissanite. Bing! You see it. There you go. It is official moissanite hitting on that thing. You feel me? Let's do it again. It is official moissanite hitting on that diamond tester. What I got for y'all right now is the on the wrist profile, so y'all can see what it looks like on the wrist. Me, myself, it's a size 8. That's my size. Although I think I should start getting size 7.5 to be a little more tighter around the wrist.
See what I'm saying?
What I got here for y'all right now is the shine test. Man, this thing is hitting. I like it. Y'all let me know if y'all like it. And if not, it is what it is, man. 1, 2, 3. I'm officially out.